Hey guys and welcome. Today I will be doing a very glittery, very glitzy New Year's Eve inspired makeup look. Say hi to my model Meryl and we will jump straight into the tutorial. So right here I'm using the Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte to carve out her brows and prepare her eyelids for some eyeshadow. Here I'm just setting the concealer in place with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. The first shade that I'll be applying is this mid-tone matte brown from the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. As you can see, I am slowly diffusing that color from the outer corner of the eye, and I slowly make my way in to the inner corner. This kind of acts as the transition shade for the entire look. Next, I'm applying this deeper brown from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It's called Cypress Umber. I'm just building on that transition color and creating more depth in the outer corner of the eye. Then I take this very black shade from Urban Decay. I will list the specific name in the description box. But as you can see, I am just really building on that smoky intensity on the outer corner by blending in that black. Be very careful not to go past the crease when you do this. This next color is called Zuri. It is my favorite shade in this entire look. And it is a very neutral gold shimmer, and it's from the Nubian 2 Juvia's Place palette. As you can see, I'm just packing that shimmer onto the lid with a blending brush, but it's quite a flat blending brush so that I can really get that max shimmery payoff. So here you see me applying a little bit of glitter glue so that I can have a base for my glitter to stick on. And this is it. This is my glitter. It's the J.cat Beauty loose glitter called Great Gatsby. It is a show-stopping, stunning glitter. I don't know if you guys are able to tell on camera, but this glitter, when the studio lights hit it, is just breathtaking. Girl, trust me, you will be turning some heads on New Year's Eve. Okay, we are halfway there. We are done with the eye makeup, and I'm just cleaning off her face with a makeup wipe before I apply her face makeup. I'm actually using two moisturizers on her face today. The first one is this one. It's the Garnier SkinActive Moisture Rescue Gel. It's a water-based gel, so it's nice and light, and it's such a refreshing drink of water for the skin. The second moisturizer is this Super Restorative Day Cream from Clarins. And you guys, I have to say I am really impressed with this moisturizer. Normally I wouldn't use two moisturizers, but because Meryl does have quite dry skin, this moisturizer did a really great job of really lifting her skin and illuminating it and creating that beautiful base. For her foundation, I combined two shades of the Maybelline Dream Radiant foundation. I will list the exact two shades in the description box if you are interested. And for concealer, what other than the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer? I used that under her eyes, a little bit on the forehead and down the bridge of the nose, just to create some light in the center of the face. What I'm using to set her concealer in place, as well as the rest of her foundation, is this Bareminerals Mineral Veil. This powder is quickly climbing to the top of my list of face powders. Not only is it lightweight, it acts like a filter and it blurs out any imperfections, and it really is a stunning face powder. Highly recommend. For her bronzer, I am applying NARS Laguna, which I got in my Ulta makeup haul, and so I've only used it a couple of times, but I loved it so much that I'm using it on Meryl today for this makeup tutorial. And to me, it's such a beautiful, neutral, subtle bronzer. You can use it for any look really, from summer to winter. And to further define her features and carve out her cheekbones, I'm using Hoola bronzer, which you guys know this is my go-to bronzer for glam looks, and so you know I had to include it in today's makeup look. And I believe some Milani is in order for today's makeup look. This is Milani Luminoso, which is a beautiful, subtle, peachy pink tone. And then to go underneath the Luminoso, I'm using MAC Sheertone blush. This one is Gingerly, which further defines the cheekbones and adds more warmth to the face. For highlighter, I am using Opal by Becca Cosmetics. This is a beautiful neutral gold highlight, which I think really complements her glittery eyeshadow. Hit her with a little bit of setting spray just to hydrate the face before we continue. And now onto the lips. So this is the lip liner from MAC called Spice, and it's a beautiful nude tone, which I think complements her skin tone very well. I wanted a lipstick that would complement her eyeshadow rather than compete with it, and so I picked this rosy nude lipstick from Giorgio Armani. Honestly, it was a sample that I got from like Macy's or Sephora, I think, so I have to look up the exact name of the lipstick and I will list it in the description box. And you guys know me, I am a gloss girl, and so I had to put gloss somewhere in this look. I'm using my favorite clear gloss from Smashbox, putting it all over her lips to give her that shiny pout. And wow, we are on a roll here with all my favorite makeup products. These are my favorite lashes from Kiss. They are called Chiffon. These are so gorgeous. They're not too dramatic. They are just the right amount of lash to make your entire look pop. A little bit of eyeliner just to cover that lash band, but also to add a little more intensity to the lash line. And voila! You have your New Year's Eve glittery smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you take some inspo from today's video. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'll just kind of pop in and be like, okay.
Sila! Oh my god.